good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about minor 7th and minor 9th chords and how good they sound together. Alright, so let's get right into it. So, minor 7th and minor 9th chords, let's just pull an instance of each one of those in. So if we go to the piano roll of these FL keys, we can click this stamp. We could just click on a minor 7th right here. Let's just put that on A. Then let's put A minor 9th next to it. Okay? So these minor 7th and minor 9ths are so perfect for making soulful chords or soulful chord progressions or very jazzy chord progressions or bluesy. It's honestly whatever kind of vibe you want to go for. So a few tips that I like to do when I have minor 7th or minor 9th chords is I like to kind of do something like this, where the first 2 bars or even the first 4 bars could be a minor 7th chord progression, and then the next 4 bars could be a minor 9th chord progression. Now we can pull some. Now we can highlight all the root notes and pull those down for bass notes as well, something like this. Hold shift left click to drag these down. Another thing that I like to do, and this you don't always have to do this, but to fill in the chords more, you can also layer the second note. So this is a C, we'll put a C right here. This is a G, we'll put a G. F, F, E, and then E. Then we'll do a Control A and an Alt R to randomize the chords, the velocity of. Yeah, that's just a quick tip talking about minor 7th and minor 9th chords, okay? Don't be sleeping on using those. They're super easy to pull in, especially with FL Studio. Once you have the minor 7th chord in, you can put that on any root because it's the same pattern. So it doesn't matter what root you put it on. So don't be sleeping on that. Definitely check it out. Also, don't be afraid to go to major 7th and major 9ths. They're very similar, but they're going to be happier sounding, right? That's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always begin. Much love, y'all. Peace.